You want to be a welder? Not just a welder, but a damn good one? Well, you're in the right place. Welcome to Ark Labs Fort Worth, where we turn hard work into skill and skill into opportunity. We're not playing around here. We have 60 booths. Here you'll learn stick, MIG, TIG, and flux core arc welding. You don't know what those are? You will. This isn't just a school, this is real world training. Our welding simulator is designed to put you in the exact scenarios that you'll face in the field. Boilermaker, steam pipes, structural steel, and restricted welding. You name it, we'll train it. Our instructors have done it all. We've built pipelines, repaired refineries, welded on skyscrapers, and now we're here to make sure you get the skills to do the same. When you train here, you don't just get skills, you get opportunities. Our team is here to help you land that real welding job. And trust me, the industry is hungry for welders who know what they are doing. That could be you. You've seen what we do here. The only question is, are you ready to make it happen? Don't wait. Get started today.